I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini clone step by step. First, gather a labeled dataset and decide on the model size. Then set up version control and experiment tracking so you can reproduce results and share checkpoints with collaborators to accelerate iteration and debugging throughout development. In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini clone step by step. Next, design your model pipeline, initialize weights from a compatible checkpoint, and prepare the tokenizer. Schedule fine-tuning with gradual unfreezing, monitor loss and validation metrics, and use mixed precision to save memory while maintaining throughput for iterative experiments. In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini clone step by step. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this walkthrough, please subscribe and like. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I used here. Check the description for the link and other deals. Enjoy the sound while you code, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini clone step by step. Then evaluate thoroughly using automated metrics and human checks. Run stress tests for latency and throughput, compare model responses to benchmarks, and refine prompts and post-processing to improve factuality and safety before preparing deployment artifacts and documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.